Put away. It means to place something in its proper location. Example: don't forget to put away your toys after you play. Put down. It means to place something on a surface, or to criticize someone. Example: it's not nice to put down others for their mistakes. Put through. Means to connect someone on the phone, or to make someone experience something difficult. Example: he was put through a lot of stress during the project. Put by. Means to save money for the future. Example: I try to put by a little money each month for emergencies. Put forward. Means to suggest or propose an idea. Example: she put forward a great idea for the new campaign. Put across. Means to communicate an idea clearly. Example: the teacher put across the complex concept in a simple way. Put over. Means to convey a message effectively. Example: he put over his point very convincingly during the meeting. Put in. Means to contribute time, effort, or resources. Example: we all need to put in more effort to complete the project on time. Put off. Means to postpone or delay something. Example: we had to put off the meeting until next week. Put up. Means to provide accommodation, or to raise something. Example: we can put up our guests in the spare room. Put on. Means to dress in. Example: don't forget to put on your coat, it's cold outside. Put on. Means to organize an event. Example: the school is putting on a play next month. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.